If you're part of an IT team responsible for managing software updates, patching, and device oversight, you've likely come across PDQ Deploy and PDQ Connect. Both tools are made by PDQ.com and aim to simplify software deployment, but they're built for very different environments. So, which one is right for your team? In this video, we'll break down the key differences where each tool excels and which one to choose based on your setup. So first, let's talk about PDQ Deploy. So PDQ Deploy, or the on-premise powerhouse, has been or long been a go-to for IT pros in Windows-based on-prem environments. It lets you deploy software, patches, and scripts to hundreds of machines quickly from a central console. It integrates with PDQ inventory, so you can target deployments based on criteria like OS, last boot time, or installed apps. For its strengths, it has fine-grained deployment control, works great with Active Directory, excellent speed on LAN, fully offline capable, and custom scripting and pre/post steps. It's best for organizations with domain joined devices, in office networks, or tight firewall setups. So if your team likes hands-on control and already uses PDQ inventory, Deploy is the better fit. So for PDQ Connect, PDQ Connect is modern cloud native deployment. So PDQ Connect is the cloud-based evolution of PDQ's deployment tools. It's designed for hybrid or remote-first companies that manage devices outside the corporate network. No VPN or domain join is needed. Once the PDQ Connect agent is installed, devices stay reachable even if they're on home Wi-Fi. For its strengths, it has no ad or local server required, works across firewalls and remote networks, easy agent-based setup, cloud dashboard with real-time status, and great for distributed or BYOD setups. It's also best for IT teams managing laptops or for remote staff, freelancers, or field workers who are rarely connected to the office network. So for its key differences, when it based to for hosting, PDQ Deploy is on-prem, PDQ Connect is cloud-based. For network dependence, Deploy works best on LAN and Connect works anywhere. For user base, Deploy favors centralized IT. Connect is made for decentralized mobile teams. For setup time, Deploy requires more configuration. Connect is quicker to start. For cost, PDQ Connect is priced per device per month, while Deploy is per admin. So which one should you choose? So if your devices are mostly in office, domain joined and behind a firewall, PDQ Deploy still gives you unmatched control and speed. If you're managing a mix of in-office and remote users, or if your workforce is entirely remote, PDQ Connect is smarter, more scalable option. So basically, both PDQ Deploy and PDQ Connect are powerful tools, but your environment will dictate which fits best. Either way, PDQ's ease of use and no-nonsense approach make them ideal for lean IT teams looking to automate deployment and focus on higher impact work. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.